Hello, welcome back. The topic today we are going to see is about Sitz bath. You probably would have heard after the pile surgery or anyone who have a bottom problem, the doctors would advise do Sitz bath. What is that? Sitz bath, the term actually is derived from the German language meaning hip bath. What is that? So suppose you get some injury somewhere in the body, what do you usually do? We do hot water fomentation. The same principle. So we cannot go and keep hot water fomentation in the bottom. So what we do is we keep a warm water and sit in that. That's the principle behind Sitz bath. What is that? Most of the people when they do with the warm water, it's not hot water, it's warm water. You can do it with warm water or you can do it with cold water also. And people sometimes they add salt, gypsum, soda bicarb, all those things. But adding anything to the water, or even in fact, people add to that antiseptics like Dettol or even betadine something, they will add to that. Adding anything to that, warm water or cold water, has no beneficial effect. Just water, warm water or cold water is enough. Warm water is a little better. The principle behind it is like hot water fomentation. Okay. What is the purpose? The purpose is to keep that area clean and pain-free. That's it. So what is it that when we sit in the warm water, that the blood vessels in that area dilate, so the more blood comes there and more blood can drain out. So the swelling, pain, and it can get reduced. Okay, for whom it has been advised, any bottom problem in and around the anus and the private parts or the what we call the perineum is very useful, like piles, fissure, fistula, or perianal abscess, or even pilonidal sinus and abscess, or even after normal delivery, that area perineum is raw. So sitting on the Sitz bath gives a real beneficial effect. Or for in a normal delivery, sometimes they would have done some stitches called episiotomy. So those people can do that. And any other rectal surgery or perineal surgery, pelvic floor repair or cancer surgery, for the post-operative, for pain relief, you can sit. So you can use lukewarm water. It's not hot water, you can say warm water or lukewarm water or cold water. So the idea is that anal region and perineum should immerse in the water. So it can be done, with even any tray available in the household, any tray or tub. You can keep some warm water or cold water, sit for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes is the ideal time. Or you can commercially available Sitz bath available in the market for Western toilet and Indian toilet, where it has a lot of other additional instruments to add something and all. So either it's a homemade or a commercial one. Any tub or small tray where warm water or cold water is kept, you can sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Usually 6 times a day is much better, or at least morning and night. And people sometimes feel really beneficial when they do alternate hot water and cold water. Warm water and cold water. First time warm water, then cold water, warm water. So any combination or any number of times or any amount of time duration, you can do that. More we do, more the beneficial thing. And very importantly, don't add any antiseptic or bath soap or foam. Bath foam and all, don't add anything at all. Just plain water is the best thing. And for some reasons, doctors, if there is a real infection, they may ask you to add some antibiotics, especially betadine, not Dettol. They always say some antiseptic solutions they ask you to add. That's very rarely, because that the bacteria in that particular area is the beneficial bacteria should not be killed. So unless the doctor says to add some antiseptic, don't add anything at all and preserve the normal bacteria. So Sitz bath, either it could be warm water or cold water to give pain relief, to give relief from itching, to keep that area clean, and to reduce the swelling, especially in a prolapsed, thrombosed piles. This Sitz bath does real wonder. And in acute fissure pain, sudden severe pain in the bottom, Sitz bath does real wonder. It can be given for children, especially for children, for constipation for children. Sitz bath does a real beneficial thing. It can be done for adult, young, male, female, any age, any disease. Anyone can do that. The only thing is keep the temperature properly. If you are living in a temperate land, it should not burn your skin. Don't burn your skin. Or if you are living in a cold climate, it should not freeze your bottom. So Sitz bath is a simple home remedy for any bottom pain, itching, discharge, or even post-operative relief. It's a simple technique to get good relief. Thank you.